everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some spicy vinegar barbecue sauce for you. I got a really good friend that really call him my brother, probably because we've known each other since we was like 3 or 4 years old, so we basically grew up together and we got to talk about cooking and barbecuing and sauces and stuff, and he's a great cook too, and he shared a sauce that him and his family really enjoy, and it was a vinegar based sauce. I was like, I haven't done a vinegar based sauce on my channel yet, so I figured I'd share you my spin on a vinegar barbecue sauce. But I started out with 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, then a cup of ketchup, and then there's half a cup of hot sauce. I put that in my saucepan. I started heating it up and got them all mixed together, and then I started adding in my spices and keep it at a medium heat. But if it ever gets to start getting closer to boil, take it off the heat and don't let it boil, just heat it through. And spices I put in it was some red pepper flakes, black pepper, salt, and then it was brown sugar. That was what the seasoning that went into it. And then you just put those in, stir them through, and you get your sugar and your salt basically melted. And again, just don't bring it to a boil and just heat it through. And once it's good and heated through, you can serve it hot, or you can just let it cool and put it back in the fridge and use it just whenever, and it'll last a long time. And with mine, I had my emersion blender, and once I got it up to what I wanted to temperature wise, I buzzed it through just to mix it up some more and to chop up those red pepper flakes so they're a little bit smaller, because I put it in a little squeeze tube to be able to serve it. But anyways, that's my little spin on a vinegar barbecue sauce for you. This is one of my favorites because I'm a whole hog fan when it comes to cooking barbecue. And I like that vinegar based sauce that they do with whole hog in the Carolinas. But anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.